Okay, first of all, go to Facebook page, then go any Facebook page or any video to download the video from Facebook, as such as go to ni- nice page, nice video. Okay, such as I want to download this video from Facebook. So what will you do, and what is the process to download this video? There is no option, but you have to follow the tricks to download this video. Just click here on the video, and now just copy the video link from this option, and just copy the link and go to the any web browser, such as web browser. Just search here save as video, save as video, video, save as video, then enter. Here you see one website came, that is the fastest free YouTube downloader, or saveform.net. Just click on the link. You see here is the option that shows enter the URL. That means now I will paste the copied URL of the video. Okay, and see automatically it shows download option. Here is the download option. Just click on the download button, and you see this is ad. You obviously you skip this ad or cross the ad, and this is my desired video. How will I download this? Just here is the option. You see right side below. uh, Here is the option download. Just click on the download button, and you see it shows downloading. Here downloading. Okay, download completed. Now let's go to watch the video. Just click on the link and see that this is the video I downloaded from Facebook. Okay, this is the process to download any video from Facebook from mobile phone or desktop or laptop. There is another option to download Facebook video, and that is from app. First of all, you have to install the app from Play Store. Just go to the Google Play Store and search FB video downloader. Downloader for Facebook. This on. This is the desired app to download Facebook video. This is a video downloader for Facebook. You can see here are lots of reviews of apps that is very helpful and easy to use based on. So far I love this app. That means it's very useful apps and already 50 million plus downloaded. So no problem. This is authentic apps for using Facebook as well as downloading the video. Now I am going to install app. Just click install button. Now click open button below the screen. How to use, click on browse Facebook, login, browse your wall, play the video you want to download. Say yes to download video. Okay, no problem. Got it. Allow video, allow. Okay, now here it shows the Facebook option, browse Facebook. Just click on browse Facebook button and you login Facebook from here as like I want to login on ID. Suppose this login. Okay, now suppose nice video, this, okay, this one, this video I want to download from the Facebook. Just click on the video and you see this type of pop-up. You will see what would you like to do with this video, watch or download. Just if you can watch the video or you can download the video from here, just click download button and you see already it's downloaded successfully. Now let's go to the video. Just click on the downloaded file. Okay, this one, just open MX player. Okay, this is the desired video I already download.
Okay guys, the new friends who are watching my tutorial, please do not go without click subscribe button and make sure that click on the notification bell so that when I will upload any video or tutorial, you will be notified immediately from this notification bell. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and wait for my next video.